Hey guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today I am going to be filming a get ready with me makeup tutorial with the beauty products that I picked up during the Sephora Spring Sale. If you are interested in watching my full haul of what I bought during the sale, I will have it linked in the description box down below. Otherwise, I will just be using the beauty products that I showed in that haul, along with some other favorite products that I have been loving lately. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I already have my Neutrogena Hydroboost Hyaluronic Acid Gel Moisturizer on my face, along with my Hailey's Beauty Matte Primer. So the first product that I am going to be going in with is the new and improved formulation of the Dior Forever Foundation. This is their matte version. They have a matte and a glow. I am oily, so we need the matte. This is in the shade 2.5N. I cannot figure out though if I love to apply this new formulation with a sponge or brush more. Lately I've been leaning more towards a brush for my foundation, but I think with this one I'm going to stick with a sponge. So I'm just going in with one that I picked up at TJ Maxx. It is very matte, so I feel like I actually like the sponge to kind of press it into my skin more. This shade is so much more tan and like a true 2.5N compared to their last formulation of this in 2.5N. This one is more of a true neutral. The previous formulation almost pulled like a pinky undertone for my skin, and it still smells really good. But if fragrance irritates your skin, you'd probably want to stay away from this. I swear this matches my self tan, you guys. Like, I promise. It doesn't seem like it does, but I don't know, maybe my self-tan didn't stick as good to my neck and chest as it normally does. And the new concealer that I picked up is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Longwear in 095. And if you are coming from my haul, you know the reason why I went with the lightest shade. Lancome's Teint Idole products oxidize so ridiculously, so once this is all blended out, it looks just perfect. And this is hands down my new favorite concealer. It's so lightweight, it doesn't get greasy, and it just like brightens and lifts the face. It is so beautiful. I'm just gonna put a little on my chin and a little on my forehead. It has such a beautiful finish. I love it. And for bronzer, I'm going in with another new favorite product. I did do a full-on review on this separate product, which I will also have linked down below. This is the Dibs Beauty Desert Island Duo Stick, and mine is in the shade 1.5. It is my favorite cream bronzer at the moment. So I just go in like so. And to blend that out, I'm using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I like to pat it to blend it out instead of using a buffing motion. It is such a good product. Oh my gosh. It works perfectly with this foundation too, because this is a little bit more creamier of a bronzer than what I was hoping for with my oily skin. So this just kind of balances it out, you know? Like you have a really matte foundation and then a creamy bronzer. Just ends up coming together perfectly. And then going in with the blush side of this, so I forget, the blush shade is Bloom Service, the bronzer is Bronze Voyage. And then I use my e.l.f. buffing foundation brush for the cream blush, and lately I've been liking to go like that, and then again just kind of like stamping it. This is such a beautiful shade, especially for spring and summer. So pretty. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know how much I love the Colourpop Translucent Setting Powder. This is from their No Filter line. My previous one that I was using for months left such a bad white cast on my face. I was like, what is going on? I swear my first one of these did not do that. Well now, and these were from the ones that I ordered directly from Colourpop. When I went to go repurchase another one, I went to Ulta, and this one does not leave a white cast on my face. And it's the same translucent shade, and I don't know what happened, but I am thrilled. Okay, so I'm first gonna use my sponge, tap off the excess onto the back of my hand, and then press it on. I also do this on my eyelid and on my nose too. No specific reason why. But my all-time favorite YouTuber, Stephanie Letta, she just posted on her Instagram story about the Revlon Color Stay Loose Setting Powder. And apparently that is talc free and it controls oils really well, so I definitely want to try that one next. Okay, I don't know like if you guys can already tell how there is not that white cast. I swear, like, I know I'm not crazy. I'm not even gonna question it though, because I'm just so glad that it's gone. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna be using my Morphe Ariel 821 brush. Let's get into contouring, sculpting, highlighting, what have you, with my beautiful new Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm face palette. You know what? The packaging says for runway ready bronze sculpt and glow, and I can completely agree with that. This is a new staple in my routine. I adore this. Oh my goodness, I've been loving it so much. So I'm first gonna contour with this lighter shade in the corner here. I just pick it up with my finger. I cannot decide yet for my nose if I prefer my Dior Backstage contour palette with that light shade or this, but I do love these shades for my cheekbones, so I feel like I almost like the Dior one better for my nose contour. I mean, it's fine though. I don't know. I'm definitely just overthinking it. And then I'm using my Marc Jacobs blush brush for contouring, and I'm actually going to go in with both of these shades for a really chiseled look. And I should probably specify I definitely use more of the light shade versus the dark. I just do like one tap in the dark and more in the light. Ooh, it's so pretty. I can definitely say I recommend splurging on this when it goes on sale again, because even on sale, it still is a freaking splurge. It is a very expensive product, but it is so worth it. I mean, when it's something you're gonna use every single day and it makes you happy, you should just go for it. I'm just using that lighter shade, bringing the contour kind of up on my temples and then down on my neck. And then my most favorite thing lately has been to top off that Bloom Service cream blush with this blush right here. And it is just everything. It just gives your cheeks such a healthy flush of color after dulling down Bloom Service with a setting powder. This just brings it back to life all over again. I love it. And then going in with the highlighter here, which is so beautiful. It gives your cheekbones that like wet look, which is what I love most in my highlights. And just going in with a little bit on my nose. For my eyebrows, I'm going in with my usual Colourpop Brow Boss. I am using up the very last bits of this one. Oops. I do not even know how many of these I have bought and gone through. It's just so simple, so to the point, and it looks so good. Darn it all, I do need to crack open the new one. I actually do want to use my Fenty Beauty Brow Styling Lash. I'm honestly so tired. I got so much done around the house before filming this video. I was like, do I really want to film today? And I'm like, yeah, I really do. So I'm kind of just like pushing myself. I'm glad that I am. But hopefully it doesn't seem like I'm running low on energy, even though I am. And my left eyebrow totally looks like now. Okay, for my eyes, I'm actually going to be using my KKW Beauty Powder Contour. This is in the shade 2. This is like the perfect tan eyeshadow base. Just going to go ahead and apply this all over my lid with my fake hourglass brush from China. No, I'm not kidding. This did not work out good as a contour, and I'm always just using a tan shade on my lids, so this is actually perfect. It's just like one huge eyeshadow for me. And then just blending that out. Okay, this is super random, but I just want like a little bit of bling kind of on my lids, so I'm gonna go in with my Good as Gold Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna use this 24K shade right here. Yep, that's just what I wanted. Okay, I will low-key be using this shade all the time. I know you guys can't really see it that good because my lighting is always weird, but it's really pretty. And just popping this highlight shade in my inner corners and my brow bones. Setting this all into place with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, so for mascara, if you watched my Sephora haul, you are going to be disappointed in me, but I was pretty much convincing myself by thinking out loud, saying like, I am not going to get rid of this YSL mascara because I'm enjoying it so far. I just don't love it quite yet, but I think it'll get better the more I use it. No. Just no, I do not like that mascara. The packaging is beautiful, but I could not get myself to love it as much as I love my simple Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. Hi, honey.
Hey, babe.
Okay, sorry, my husband called. I am still not over calling him my husband. We are approaching our 1-year wedding anniversary in June, and it's like, how? Where did this year go? Okay, but anyways, I could not get myself to love that mascara as much as my classic Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, so I exchanged them. I did it for the price. Obviously, you're gonna do that if you're not happy with something. But I am going in with this. It's so nice to have a new one. Okay, mascara is done. Just using my eyelash comb real quick. And then you guys, for fake lashes, I am so excited. I am going in with another pair that Lilly Lashes was so gracious enough to send me. These are their new everyday faux mink lash, and these are in the style Reveal. I have already worn these once and I am so in love with them. Let's go ahead and pop these little suckers on. I suppose I can zoom you guys in finally. Hey, now you can see what that Colourpop eyeshadow did on my lids too. I do not know how Lilly Lashes chose little me to join their campaigns of new lashes that launch. I don't know, but I thank God. It makes me feel really accomplished. Isn't that so beautiful? So these just launched April 12th, which was the day after the Sephora sale, but I actually have a 20% off coupon code for you guys that is listed in my description box below. Not through Sephora, but through the Lilly Lashes website. These are for sure one of my new favorite pairs of lashes. I'm just gonna pop on the other one really quick off camera. Actually, before I do that, just like look at this comparison, you guys. Just look at that. Okay, so another random step that I take just to kind of marry my lash with my waterline, I take my liquid liner and I just gently kind of press it in between my fake lashes and my real lashes. And this is the Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid liner, which I have loved. I haven't tried anything different since purchasing this a while ago. And I also use my eyelash comb to combine my lashes. This little corner though, she's being a little bit bratty. Can you guys see my lip is like red and irritated right here? I don't know what's going on. But anyways, for lip liner, I'm using my Colourpop Ashton Lippie pencil. And then I'm using my Merit Beauty Bel Air Shade Slick. And since it's 3 years later and Jaclyn Hill has still not relaunched her nude lipsticks, I'm gonna go in with my little like Mod Podge of a combo here of my just right type of nude that I created in the midst of continuing to wait for her lipsticks. So this is the Dior, Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Sand. And then I'm gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics So Cute Gloss. So that completes this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this look, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are just discovering my channel for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I am so close to 900 subscribers. I'm so excited to hit that milestone. So thank you guys so much for your support. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!